Lesson 16 Voucher Numbering. In this chapter, we'll discuss about configuring the voucher's number. That is, we can set the voucher numbering to automatic, which means voucher number will be generated automatically at the time of data entry. We can set voucher numbering to manual, that is, voucher's number you can enter manually at the time of data entry, or if you want, you can set voucher numbering to not required, that is, voucher number is not at all required in a certain voucher type. We can set voucher numbering for a voucher type and further for a particular voucher series. To configure voucher number, we'll go to Administration, Configuration, Vouchers Configuration option. At the left hand side, you can see a list of various voucher types is appearing. Select the voucher type for which you want to set the voucher numbering, and then further select the series for which you want to configure the voucher number. Concept of series we'll discuss in our later chapters. Currently, you can see on the screen main series is appearing. This is the series which is created automatically at the time of company creation. Here we have selected the sales voucher and the series as main, which means we want to configure voucher number for the main series of the sales voucher type. After selecting the series, click voucher numbering button to configure the voucher numbers. On clicking the voucher numbering button, you can see a voucher numbering screen is appearing on the screen. In the voucher numbering screen, first option is of numbering type, that is, what is the numbering type required here? Automatic, manual, not required. Automatic means voucher numbers will be generated automatically at the time of data entry. Manual means you have to enter voucher numbers at your own during voucher entry, and not required means voucher number is not at all required in this particular voucher type. So here we are selecting the automatic numbering type. Then is renumbering frequency, that is, voucher numbers are to be restarted every yearly or on daily basis. If you select yearly option, then after completion of 1 year, voucher numbers will again start from the starting number that you will specify. And if you select the daily option, then voucher numbers will start with the starting number on a daily basis. Next option is embed year in voucher number, that is, you want to embed year in voucher number or not. Under this option, you can select not required option if you do not want to embed year in voucher number. You can select as prefix option if you want to embed year at the start of the voucher number, and you can select the as suffix option if you want to embed year in the voucher number at the end of the voucher number. Year and voucher number separator, that is, what will be the separator between the voucher number and the year that is embedded. So here we have taken a slash sign. You can take a dash symbol also. Whatever symbol you will specify here will work as a separator between the voucher number current financial year embedded in the voucher number itself. Next is prefix. Specify a prefix for the voucher number. Specify the prefix of the voucher number. Here we have specified the prefix as STPL. Here, as we have taken the company name as Star Traders Private Limited, so we have specified the prefix as STPL. Suffix field is currently deactivated because we have embedded year in the suffix part of the voucher number. That's why this currently we have specified suffix as current financial year. Then is starting number, that is, from which number you want to start the voucher number. Basically, it will be number 1 only, but if you want to start voucher number with some another number also, you can specify that also here. Then is specify ending number. This field is now not required at all. This was used earlier in case of excise, where the limit for entering vouchers is fixed for a particular series, so we can leave this option. Then is maintain book number. Yes or no, if you want to maintain book number, then you can specify Y in this data field. And then is fixed length of numeric part, that is, you want to fix the length of numeric part of the voucher number. For example, here we have specified starting number as 1. So first voucher number will be 1, 10th voucher number will be 10th, and similarly 100th voucher number will be 100. So there will be no uniformity between the voucher numbers. To fix the numeric part of the voucher number, you can specify yes in this data field, and then further can specify total length of numeric part, that is, how much length is required for the numeric part, and then is padding character, that is, what character should be added to make the length equivalent. As here we have specified the padding character as 0, then first voucher number will be 001, 10th voucher number will be 010, 11th voucher number will be 011, and 100th voucher number will be 100, as we have taken the length of numeric part as 3. So this is the rule of padding characters, that it will be embedded the numeric number to make the length of numeric part equivalent for all the vouchers. This is the automatic option. Here we have discussed the renumbering frequency, prefix to be specified, suffix to be specified, starting number, and then fixing the length of numeric part. Click OK button to save this configuration. On clicking the OK button, Busy has shown a message box that you want to renumber all vouchers for the series. That is, if you have any existing transactions for this particular series, then voucher number for those transactions should also be changed as per the current configuration. Click Yes button if you want to change the existing voucher numbers also, else click the No button. Here we are clicking the Yes button, that is, if any transaction exists before configuring this voucher number, then voucher number for existing transaction should also be changed. Next, we'll discuss about configuring voucher numbering for the main series of the purchase voucher type. Here select the main series of the purchase voucher type and click the voucher numbering button. In this, we are setting the numbering type to manual. That is, we will enter the voucher number on our own in the purchase vouchers. On selecting the manual option, two options appear: duplicate voucher number and blank voucher number. And Busy is asking that if you enter a duplicate voucher number or a blank voucher number, then what action has to be taken. You have to configure these two options separately, though we are discussing it jointly, but you can configure these options separately. So here three options are appearing. First is warning only, that is, you want only a warning if you enter a duplicate voucher number or a blank voucher number. Don't allow, that is, Busy will not allow you to enter a duplicate voucher number or a blank voucher number. And then is no action, that is, no action is to be taken. You are allowed to enter a duplicate voucher number or a blank voucher number. Click OK button to save the configuration. Next, we will configure the main series of journal voucher. Here we are setting the numbering type to not required. That is, in the main series of journal vouchers, we do not require a voucher number. On selecting the not required option, when you will enter a voucher, journal voucher for the main series, then there will be no option to enter a voucher number there. Click OK button to save the configuration. This is the configuration of voucher numbering. That is, you can either set it to automatic, voucher numbers will be generated automatically. You can set it to manual to enter vouchers number on your own, or you can set it to not required if you do not want voucher numbering to be maintained in a particular series of voucher type. Now we'll go to the transaction part. First of all, we'll enter a sales voucher by going to sales add option. Here we are selecting the series as main. Currently there is only one series now. So you can see on the screen that voucher number has appeared automatically. STPL/004/2017-18. 004 because three transactions already existed. So Busy has generated auto number 004, 0 embedded because of the padding character. And you can see it's appearing in red color, that is, you cannot change the auto generated voucher number. This thing is to be noted that auto generated vouchers number cannot be changed manually. You see the list of the sales voucher on the screen, then you can see already three transactions existed and Busy has renumbered them also. You can see on the screen 001, 002 and 003. As if you remember, we have clicked the yes button for renumbering the existing transactions. So Busy has renumbered the existing transactions also that were entered before configuration of voucher numbering. Next, we will go to purchase add option, select the series as main. Here on the screen you can see that we are entering voucher number on our own because we have set the voucher numbering to manual, that is, no auto number will be generated. User will enter voucher number on its own. If the number you are entering is a duplicate number, or if you leave this field as blank, then the warning as you have set in the voucher number configuration will appear here. Whether it will be a warning or Busy will not allow you or Busy will not take an action, it will all depend on the configuration of voucher numbering for this particular series. Next, we'll go to journal add option. Here you can see the option of voucher number is deactivated. It is, you cannot enter a voucher number for main series of journal voucher because you have set the voucher numbering to not required for this particular series. So this is the concept of voucher numbering, that is, you can set it to automatic, manual or not required. Hope after going through this chapter you would be able to easily configure voucher numbering for various transactions. At the end of the chapter, we have provided certain exercise. You can view the exercise on the screen and attempt it. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.